In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request access in Hostinger. If you need access to a Hostinger account without logging in directly as the account owner, the Request Access feature is a simple and secure way to do it. It allows you to send a request for access and choose the level of permission you need, which helps keep the account organized and protected. To begin, open your Hostinger account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen and find your Profile section. This is where you can manage account-related settings and sharing options. Click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, look for the Account Sharing option and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing access between different users. So if you're working with a team member, client, or collaborator, this is the correct place to continue. After the account sharing page opens, click on Request Access. This option is used when you want to ask for access to another Hostinger account or service area. It helps ensure access is granted properly instead of sharing full login details, which is much safer. Now, you'll see a form where you need to enter the email address connected to the access request. Make sure the email is entered carefully so the request is sent to the right place. After that, select the permission roles you need. This part is important because the permission level determines what you'll be allowed to view or manage. If you only need limited access, choose only the permissions necessary. Keeping access limited to what's actually needed is always a good practice for security and account control. Once you've entered the email address and selected the correct permission roles, review everything one more time to make sure the details are accurate. This can help prevent delays or confusion later. When everything looks good, click Send Request. At that point, your request will be submitted and the other party can review and approve it. That's it. That's how to request access in Hostinger. As a quick tip, always double-check the email address and permissions before sending, because that saves time and helps make sure the request is approved smoothly. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you need to request managed access without sharing full account credentials.